Hi, Hisho family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Batsani Bomkosi, the vocalist singer Lindo Guhle, famously known by his stage name Mlindo the vocalist, is trending after his baby mama slash girlfriend made allegations, Batsani Bomkosi, stating that Mlindo is abusive. Ew. Aisha Ziyakhala Mzansi with a series of posts on Tyler Allison's Instagram. She posted that Mlindo is a fraud and he beats her up allegedly and he hurt their baby with a phone. She further stated or claimed that allegedly Mlindo is a fraud. He claims to be a family man, but then he goes out with another girl to a hotel and then they have and then he comes back demanding the same thing to the girl, and then he claims that Allison does not give him lady down there, which is why I think he does these things. Aisha Guningi Usisi was venting, but she was crashing out. She stated that Umlindo does not support her financially nor the baby financially with everything that she has and everything that she ever bought for the baby. It comes from her. Hence, when she left their house, she took everything in that house because it all belonged to her. Mlindo does, however, assist her mother and some of their children, but then he does not assist her. She further alleges that Mlindo has kids, kids out there, and Mlindo allegedly gave her STIs, and he claimed that Allison got those STIs from a toilet. Ooh, bashimane. But see, the story goes deeper to the point whereby Allison claims that Mlindo has a father and they will try and make the case go away. And his boys that he stays with, they're going to cover him and support him. And she's stating that she tried leaving Mlindo previously, but then Mlindo came back and then he begged and stated that he wants to be a family man. And then she took him back. What a regret, I guess she feels. But then because she made a very interesting thing by stating that Mlindo looks nothing like the songs he sings, and adding that Umlindo, he does number one and number two on himself. Ooh, whenever he is drunk, he becomes uncontrollable, allegedly. Yo. Hayi mina ngazi because eMzansi kuningi okwenzakalayo at this point, and for us to get such a sgaxa about Umlindo, it's quite shocking. But I don't even know what to say at this point. But now my question is, Usisi has a tattoo of Umlindo on her arm. How is she going to deal with this? Let us have a look at what people have to say. You have a tattoo of his name. Joe, this breakup needs a broadcasting. We as men don't appreciate what we have till it's gone. Man, how can you fumble such a nice girl? Another one added. I think Sissy is just angry that she's losing him for another woman. Why do I find it hard to believe that uyazikakela? You guys, the things you comment. What is tolerated in relationships comes to light when the relationship is over. But my question is, are we tolerating to expose in future, or it was love in those moments? Another one stated. Hi Shem Batadabomkosi. This whole story, it is quite interesting. And for Usis to reveal such confidential information, stating that Umlindo, whenever he gets drunk, he does number one and number two on himself. Yona we nkosi yami into sizoyithini ebantwini Mlindo. But because Mlindo did not say anything so far, he hasn't cleared the rumors or whatsoever. So we will be waiting for him. Please do leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching.